What if I told you that building an Airbnb AI business in 2026 doesn't require years of coding experience? In Part 1, we explored how AI tools for Airbnb hosts can become a recurring income business. Today, we're focusing on how to build one step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to launch your own AI-powered SaaS. Step 1. Find a real problem. Don't start by building features. Start by finding a problem. Visit places where Airbnb hosts share their experiences. Airbnb Community Center. Reddit communities about Airbnb hosting. Facebook groups for short-term rental hosts. Look for questions that appear again and again. Examples include guests asking the same questions repeatedly, managing cleaning schedules, pricing properties during busy seasons, responding to reviews quickly. If dozens of hosts complain about the same issue, you've found an opportunity. Step 2. Validate your idea. Before writing any code, make sure people actually want your solution. Create a simple landing page describing your tool. Explain what problem it solves, how it saves time or increases bookings, why it's different. Share it with Airbnb hosts and ask for feedback. If people sign up for updates or ask when it will launch, that's a strong signal you're solving a real problem. Step 3. Build your MVP with Claude Code. Now it's time to build. Use Claude Code to generate the first version of your app. For example, ask it to create a guest message generator, a booking dashboard, a pricing recommendation tool, a review assistant. Focus on one feature only. Your goal isn't to build the perfect app. It's to build something useful that people can test. Step 4. Test with real users. Invite a small group of Airbnb hosts to try your MVP. Watch how they use it. Ask questions like, was it easy to use? What feature do you want next? What confused you? Real feedback is more valuable than guessing. Improve your app based on what users actually need. Step 5. Start charging. Once your tool provides value, introduce a monthly subscription. Keep pricing simple. For example, basic plan for beginners. Pro plan with advanced features. Remember, people don't pay for AI. They pay for saved time, convenience, and better business results. Step 6. Grow your business. Share helpful content online. Create YouTube videos. Post on LinkedIn. Answer questions in Airbnb communities. Offer free tips and demonstrate how your tool solves problems. As trust grows, customers will naturally discover your product. Building an AI SaaS isn't about creating hundreds of features. It's about solving one important problem really well. Start small. Listen to your users. Improve continuously. That's how many successful software businesses begin. If you're enjoying this Claude Code plus Airbnb series, hit the like button and subscribe for Part 3. In the next video, I'll show you how to find your first paying customers and grow an AI SaaS business without spending money on ads. Thanks for watching.